August 10th, 1998. I understand Reiki brings up memories and angers that need to be addressed. The other evening, I told Quentin he was never interested in listening to me until after he had his stroke. When I used to try to share or read things of a spiritual nature to him, he would be nice and listen, but it was easy to tell that he was glad when he could get away from me. He was a little shocked when I told him that, but I reminded him that he has only been interested in learning since the stroke. And he commented one day that I was just so far ahead of him. And I told him since all he had ever thought about was the farm, that I had developed the spiritual and mental side of me, and I have my own world. I'm especially grateful for that now. It takes everything I have to be able to cope with the situation. When I think it's almost 5 years and no end in sight, I'm really grateful for my own mental and spiritual world.